I'm going to show you how you can increase the max player cap for your lobbies on R.E.P.O. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So by default, the player cap per lobby is of 6 players, but with the method I'm going to show you today, you can increase it to any limit you want. So we are gonna install a mod called MorePlayers that will allow us to do this. So all you need to do is go to thunderstar.io, then go to communities and view all communities, and right here you need to search for R.E.P.O. So if you click here, you will see the list of all the mods, and you can filter it by most downloaded. So here the MorePlayers mod will appear. If you don't find it, you can also search it right here like this, and we need to install MorePlayers and BepInEx pack. BepInEx pack is a required library to install most of the mods, so just click on both and let's install BepInEx pack first. So click on manual download and this will download a file, which is this one. I have it here already. So after you open the downloaded file, you need to open this folder called BepInEx pack, and then those are the files that we need to drag and drop into our game folder. So you just need to go to your game folder, just search for it wherever you have it installed, and if you don't know where you have it, you can open Steam, go to library right here, search for R.E.P.O. So here all your games will appear. You just need to search for R.E.P.O, right click it, go to manage and browse local files, and this will open R.E.P.O's game root folder. So just select the files you just downloaded and drop them into the R.E.P.O folder. In my case, I have it installed already, so I get that window. And after that, we have BepInEx ready. So you will need to launch the game once. So I'm gonna open it, and then we can close it after it opens. So if this TMD appears, it means that everything is working fine. So let's wait a few seconds until the game opens. Now we can just close the game. This is required for BepInEx to create the required folders. And now to install the mod, we will need to go to BepInEx, then plugins, and right here in this folder is where we need to install the mods. So just go to MorePlayers, manual download, save it, and open the file. So go to plugins, MorePlayers, and this is the file that we need to drag and drop into the plugins folder on BepInEx. So this is very easy, just do it like this, and now we can open the game again, and as you can see on the CMD it will say there is one plugin to load, which is MorePlayers, and now we can host the game with MorePlayers. So it's important that the host of the game is the one that needs to download this mod, because if you download the mod but you are not hosting the game, then it won't work. Now to increase or decrease the maximum player amount, you need to go to BepInEx folder, then config, and right here you will see the MorePlayers config. So you can just open it with the notepad, and like this you will see the max players by default with the mod is 10, but you can increase it to 20, for example. As you can see, the default value is 10. So you can set it to 20 or 30 or whatever you want. And that's it. Make sure to host the game if you are the one that has the mod installed. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.